Hello everybody, it's me, Matteo, and I welcome you here in my little RC garage to an unboxing of a new RC monster truck. It's the MTX-1 two-wheel drive monster truck from MST. This truck comes ready to run and the body is called TH1. Here on the box are some specifications noted. On the side of the box are some photos of the truck, and here are some features explained. Aluminum motor mount, servo saver, full ball bearings and metal gears in the axle. On the underside we can see the layout of the chassis. But now let's open the box and see what's inside. Here it is! As first, a bag with some manuals, tools and extra parts. This is the radio. And here is the truck. It's fixed with cable ties on the box. So, now it stands on its own feet. The body looks very nice in my opinion, perfect painted and all stickers applied. What I really like are the clear windows and the fact that the inside of the body is painted black. In my opinion, very important to make a polycarbonate body opaque and good looking. The chassis is a tube cage construction and looks very scaled, like a real monster truck. Motor and gearbox sits in the middle. It's a 30-turn 540 size brushed motor. Installed is the XP60 waterproof electronic speed controller. And in this box the receiver is protected from water and dirt. The battery compartment is located at the rear and can easily open and closed. The truck has a 4-link suspension and rigid axle. In front you can see the same but without drive shaft, because this version of the MTX-1 has only rear-wheel drive. But it's possible to make it 4-wheel drive with buying a set of option parts. On the rear axle a differential gear is installed. The high torque steering servo sits on the front axle and so it delivers precise steering control. The radio is a 2.4 GHz pistol transmitter, with all functions we need for these ready-to-run trucks. For me, this is a very nice monster truck. The proportions are perfect for me. Size and width of the tires fits well to the body. Especially I like the color scheme of the body. The color combination with white, red, orange and yellow is classic and classy. I'm looking forward to testing this cute monster truck on the track. A running video will follow soon, so stay tuned to see it also. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and see you next time.